If you want to get good at chess, you have to stop saying, move that horse guy to the middle part. You need to speak the language of chess notation, which works just like the game Battleship. The board is a grid where columns go from A to H and rows go from 1 to 8. Every piece has a capital letter, K for king, Q for queen, R for rook, B for bishop, and N for knight, because the letter K was already taken by the king. Pawns don't get a letter at all, so if you just see a square name like E4, it means a pawn moved there. Notation also uses special symbols to tell the story of the game. The X means a capture, so BX F7 means a bishop just chopped something down on F7. The plus means check, which you slap at the end of a move when the king is in danger, like QH5 plus. Finally, the hash means checkmate, the ultimate symbol that means the game is officially over, like QXF7 hash. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next chess breakdown.